just say, what problem are we trying to solve, right? What is it that we need? The question I often use is, let's say by some wacky chance, this thing you want to do actually works. Yeah. And we make the thing that you want us to make, and it's a success in the world. How's the world different? Right? What is actually the difference in the world because we did this thing? And oftentimes it's like, what? The first reaction is, well, because we'll all be richer. Like, okay, that's a difference for you. That's not a difference for everybody. What is it that actually makes the world better because we've done this thing? And that's a starting point for having the conversation, is to understand what that end goal is. And that turns out to be one of the hardest things for people to get to, is to sort of say, okay, we know we have to produce this thing. We're going to produce this new version of our product, and it's going to go out, and okay, great. 5 years later, what's different because we did that? How has the world changed because we did that? And if we can get to that conversation as to how the world has changed, then suddenly we know, okay, is this the tool to get us there, or is some other thing the tool to get us there? Once we're done with this, what's the next step after that? And what's the next step after that, right? And now we're on this trajectory to get to that thing 5 years from now that this short-term project is just a baby step for. And that's the key piece, is to get to that vision of what the experience will be like 5 years from now.
So it's thinking about the outcome before you make any.
Yeah, it's there's an old phrase of starting with the end in mind.